Hello students, today we are going to discuss question 7 of surface area and volumes chapter class 9 exercise 13.1. So as you can see in question we have Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. So we have a Shanti Sweet Stall. They have to make cardboard boxes of cuboidal form for their packing. So we are given the length, breadth and height of bigger box as 25, 20 and 5 centimeter, and smaller box are 15, 12 and 5 centimeter. And they are saying that 5% extra is also required for the overlap. And if the cost of cardboard is 4 rupees for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Means we have to supply 250 bigger boxes, 250 smaller boxes, and 5% extra is also required for the overlapping. And they are asking what is the total cost of such boxes required. First of all, we are going to find total surface area of larger box. So using the formula 2 into LP plus BH plus HL and putting all these values in this formula, we will get 2 into, in the place of length I'll put 25 centimeter, breadth के यहाँ पे 20 centimeter, again breadth we have 20 centimeter, height we have 5 centimeter, and again height as 5 centimeter multiplied by length as 25 centimeter. So solving this we'll get 25 into 20 we have 500, 20 into 5 is 100, 5 into 25 is 125, so 2 into 725 we will get the total surface area as 1450 centimeter square. 1450 centimeter square as the total surface area of the larger box. They have also mentioned that 5% of extra area is required for overlap. So what you have to do is extra area required for overlap is equals to 5% of 1450. 5% can be written as 5 upon 100 and we can cut it as 1 upon 20 and again 0 will be cancelled and we will get 72.5 centimeter. So this 72.5 centimeter is the extra area required for the overlap. So total area will become is equals to 1450 plus 72.5, adding it we'll get 1522.5 centimeter. So this is the total area of the larger box. So the area of 250 boxes will become is equals to 1522.5 multiplied by 250. So here we will get 380,625 centimeter square. So this is the total area of the larger boxes required. Similarly, we will solve for the smaller boxes. We will put the length, breadth and height in the total surface area formula. So 2 into length is 15, breadth is 12, and height is 5 centimeter. Again height is 5 centimeter, length is 15. So 15 multiplied by 12 we will get 180. 15 into 12 60. 15 5s are 75. So adding all this you will get 240, 240 plus 60, 300, 300 plus 15, 315, 315 multiplied by 2, you will get 630 centimeter square. So 630 centimeter square is the total surface area of smaller box, and 5% extra is required. So extra area required is equals to 5% of 630, means 5 upon 100 into 630. It can be reduced to 1 upon 20. 0 and 0 will be cancelled, and we will get 1.5 centimeter as the extra area. Now total area of smaller box with overlap is equals to 630 plus 31.5 centimeter square. Adding all this, we will get 661.5 centimeter square. Now area of such 250 boxes is equals to 661.5 into 250, and here after multiplying we will get 165,375 centimeter square. So this is the area of 250 smaller boxes, and this is the area of the 250 larger boxes. Now we'll add these both areas and we'll find the cost from the given information in the question. So area of the larger box was 380,625, and area of the smaller box was 165,375 centimeter square. Adding these both, we'll get 546,000 centimeter square. So this is the total area of cardboard sheet required. In the question, we are given the cost of 1000 centimeter square of sheet as 4 rupees. So the cost of 1 centimeter square of sheet is 1000 will be in denominator 4 upon 1000 rupees, and the total cost of cardboard sheet required 546,000 into 4 upon 1000. 30 will be cancelled, and we'll get 2184 rupees. So 2184 rupees will be needed for the total supply of the both of the boxes.